pravartim cha nivartim cha. In the world, you and I are expected to do certain things and to avoid doing wrong things. Commission and omission. What should I do and what should I not do is not written in a book and kept somewhere like a dictionary, like a phone directory, that you go and refer it. No, every one of us know it. What is moral, what is immoral, what should be done, what should not be done. Every one of us knows. But because of the pressure of the vasana and the desires, vasana created desires, temporarily we compromise. And don't live what we know to be the right way of living, and we live the wrong way. And that is how you become unangelic. You are not Devic type. We are all demonic. Why are we behaving like a demon? The Lord, the Divine is the same. But in our performance we compromise because of the pressure of the sensuous desires. So then the teacher here says, pravartim cha nivartim cha. Pravarti, the field where I should work. Nivarti, the fields where I should not put forth my effort. Na pravartim cha. Janaha na vidur asuraha. Asura jana. People who belong to the diabolically fallen type. Asuras, they don't know. They have not this discriminative power. Even if they have got the discriminative power, they have not got the courage and the heroism necessary to say no to the temptations and live the honest and straightforward life. Na shaucham, there is no cleanliness in such people. They are careless. Their clothes are dirty. Their nails are dirty. Their face they don't wash. Hair is all jumping about. Why? Tamasic. Every night you decide that, anyway, night, why should I take a bath? Early morning I will take a bath. Early morning you think that, what is the use of my taking a bath? I have to go out and again get dirty. In the evening I will do. Thus postponing. Christmas to Christmas. Who suffers? Others suffer. Because your nose becomes habituated to that vulgar stink. Others suffer. Shaucham, napicha acharaha, nor is a decent conduct. Your conduct would become such that it always, everything that you do brings disturbance to others. Na pichacharaha, na satyam, no truthfulness, teshu vidyate. To such people, none of these things will be there. And they will not have the discriminative power to know what is to be done and what is not to be done. They generally go and do the thing that they should not. Talk that we should not. Say something wrong. And then you say, I am very sorry, it just slipped out of my mouth. I didn't want to say that. What I meant was, and what I meant was, when you say, it is more painful and ugly than before. Say, no, what I meant was, those who have got their foot in their mouth. That is English idiom. Don't put your foot in your mouth. You say something and then say, sorry, that is not what I meant. You understand what I meant. Why? Because he had tried second time is more painful than the first. The third time more ugly than the first too. The right thing will not come out. Oh, you mean this? That is what I meant. Which? which is the right way, but it will not come out of his mouth. This is something like stammering. Now when you stammer, why are you? He wants to talk, but he can't. It's a physical disability. Similarly, an intellectual or emotional disability, that the wrong thing will come out of the mouth, and everybody within 3 hours will be disgusted of you, that they have decided in their mind in this life, I don't want to repeat this experience of this guy.